Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to interface or how to use a servo motor with data of Arduino Uno. So the simulator which we are using is the picsimLab simulator. You can see this on my desktop. So I will click on it. So I have opened my simulator. It is a very basic simulator. And we can go and we can click on spare parts in the module section, and we will get our what's called is the spare part directory or window. So here it is, picsimLab spare parts. I will go to the outputs, and here I can see this servo motor component, so I can place it out like this. This seems to be SG90 simple one. Now as we know that the servo motor has 3 pins, VCC ground and the driver pin or pulse-in pin or controlling pin, simply we can say that. So I will double click on it. Wait, let me see. Okay, so I will go to its properties. Right click on it and we can go to its properties. So pin number 1, we have to connect it with the D9. Yes, we can go and we can connect it with the D9 pin of the Arduino Uno, which is actually the port B1 pins, but here we can write it as the pin number 9. So click on it and click on OK. And now we have connected our servo motor with data of Arduino Uno. VCC and ground are by default connected with the Arduino Uno. So now we will open our Arduino IDE. Okay, so our Arduino is open, IDE is open, and now we can go to File, go to New Sketch. And here we got our file. So here we will go to Tools, we can go to Processor. Okay, wait, let me see which microcontroller we can select. So they said it is okay, in board we can go and we can select Arduino Uno. Okay, and in the libraries, or in the library we can write servo.h. So I think that it is already installed. Can I see? Yes. Okay, we can again install it out, so we can wait. It is installed. So first of all, above the white setup we have to write hash include servo.h. So what is this actually? This is our major library, our main class or library. We can't say class, you can say it is a complete library. So in this library, so there is a class which is called as the servo. Okay, servo is the class, and we can write this servo name here, which is obviously the same as the library one, and we can write my underscore servo here, my underscore servo. Now we have created an object. Because this is a procedure that first you need to write the name of the major library or class, and then we can write any other name or variable, and then we can write any other thing like my underscore library. Okay, my underscore is not working, so we can write my servo 0, my servo 00. So this is the name of our what's called is the object. Now with the help of this object I can fetch certain functions. So in white setup I will write my servo 0 0 dot begin. Now dot begin is a function. Sorry, dot attach, not begin, dot attach, and to pin number 9, as we have written pin number 9. So my servo 00 dot attach. So attach is a function. It will attach it will consider attach our servo with that of the pin number 9. So in while loop I can say my servo 00 dot write 30. Okay, and what is this now? What is this thing? This thing said that our function or our object is this, and dot write function will actually send our what's called is the motor shaft to the 30 degrees. Okay, and we can again write some more thing like this. Control C, and 15. Okay, so I can write 1000 rather than 15. So 15, these are actually the milliseconds. So delay of 1 second delay, and then write 30, and then write 0 degree. Now I can compile it out, and here we got our July 11.ino.x. So here we can copy its name. So we will find where the hex file is. We cannot directly write the link, because whenever I used to put this link, it is not going to work at all. So you have to go manually. Like we will go here, we will write this. We can go to file, go to load hex, and here we will write this PC users DCS and app data, and here we will go to local, and here we will write, after local we will go to temp, and here we will write Arduino sketches. We will go to Arduino, not Arduino sketches. We will go to Arduino and sketches, and here we will go and we will see where it is. So this is our file, because it is in the same date. So now I will go and I will burn hex file. So this is my hex file. So whenever I will go to debug, so now you can see that my servo motor is going to 30 degree, although it must have to like come again to like this 0 and 30. Well, let me see what's the problem. Well, let me see, it's 30, and we can go for 100, and then I will write one more thing, that is this, and 150 like this. So now we can go and we can run it out. Pin is 9, and in our obviously we got 30 and 100 and 150, and it is 9. Yeah, it's good. My servo 00 dot write and all these things. Okay, so we will see that either dot attach, my servo dot write. Okay, the coding is perfectly fine. So what can be the problem here? Let me see that either I have, yes, I have selected the Arduino Uno, and here we have, yes, it is the Arduino Uno. So why? Wait, let me see what's the problem. We can go to properties and 9. So no, it's perfectly fine. Okay, so again we can go. Okay, again we can go and we can load our hex file. Load hex schedule 11 a.ino.hex. So now this is running properly. Now you can see that we got our servo motor functioning, okay, like this. So it is going to like first like go to 30 degrees, and then it will go 100 and then 150. So in this way we can do a simulation of our servo motor with that of Arduino Uno in picsimLab. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.